So here's our science for this week. So our directions are, look at the landscape, which is the area where you can see far away around where you live. What do you see? Draw a map of the area you see. Include mountains, buildings, water sources, roads, whatever else you see. So here I have a map of my house. Let's zoom in. There's a river right here. There's a hill. There's roads. My house is right here that I labeled home. There's some restaurants that we can see over here and a playground. So there's my map. So now let's go to the other parts of our questions. So imagine that a new building or house would be constructed or built. Write a paragraph about how the new building would change the landscape you see now. How could it change the environment? So actually what's being built right by Huffaker Hill is they are building a new building. They're tearing out part of the hill and they're putting up whatever. So this is what it might look like, my paragraph. So remember, we always indent our paragraph. And I'm gonna do the imagine if, even though it's actually happening. If they built a new building by Huffaker Hill, and since that's a name, I have to capitalize that F. It would destroy parts of the mountain. They would have to dig into the mountain and remove part of it so that there was room for the building. It would no longer have trees around it, but granite jutting out of the mountain. Okay, how would it change the environment? It would take away homes from the many animals and insects that live there. Okay, now I'm going to go through and just do my spell checks. Remember, we right click all those red words. And then Huffaker is actually spelled correct, but it doesn't recognize it, so I just click that ignore button. Now, is there any other ways that it could change the environment besides losing habitat and taking away the mountain? Yeah, there's lots of ways it could change it, so we could keep adding to it. So now here we have draw a new map with changes you wrote about in your paragraph. So I'll upload my new map and put it in the description of the video down below. Alright, if you wanted to, you could fill in this sentence frame right here as well. Alright, that's it for your science part.